Next, we will talk about the Discover page and our search engine. The Discover page is the main landing page you will find when you first go to the site, and if you ever want to get back here, you can click on the Discover option on the left side menu. This page has several quick links to get started. These include links to grade-specific resources, collections of content based on various themes and song types, and your most recently viewed pages so you can easily jump back in where you were at. Scrolling down the page, you can click on a content creator to view a list of content that they have created. At the bottom of the page, you will find quick links to lesson content for the current month and links to the most recently updated pages on the site. Back at the top of the screen, you can also use the search bar to find content on MusicplayOnline. Entering a keyword in the search bar will find any content related to that keyword. Depending on the keyword used, you might find exactly what you are looking for, but if you're getting too many results, you can also use the filters to restrict the results better. Start by clicking Add Filter beneath the language dropdown, then select the type of filter. Each option has many filters you can apply, and you can apply as many filters as you want to help find the exact content you're looking for. You can clear a filter by clicking the small X icon, or you can click Clear All Filters to remove them all at once. Next to the filters, you can also change how the results are displayed. You can switch between a grid view and a list view. Note that searching from the Discover page will search all of MusicplayOnline. If you go to a specific section first and search from there, it will only bring results from that section.